Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling the hardware and clearing simple blockers. Open Settings, search for NFC and toggle it on so the radio is active. This lets the phone read and write tags. Once done, make sure battery saver is off and Bluetooth/location are enabled because some apps require them to resolve devices or permissions. You should also check for a system update. NFC firmware can be improved by security patches, and that reduces read errors when you begin interacting with tags. You now move to reading and writing. Install a reliable NFC app from the Play Store, grant necessary permissions, and choose Read or Write mode. Hold the tag to the Poco X6 Pro's NFC coil top center back and keep it steady for 1 to 2 seconds. This maximizes coupling and minimizes failed transfers. When writing, pick NDEF, test with a short URL or text, and verify the read. If you plan automation, create profiles gradually, testing each action before chaining multiple tasks. Finish by securing and validating your setup. For payments or locks, use app-specific enrollment and secure tag types. That provides authentication. If a write or read fails, first clean the tag surface, move away from metal and try again. Tiny shifts matter. If problems persist, toggle NFC off and on, reboot the phone, then test a different tag to see if the issue is the tag or the phone. One key troubleshooting tip: always confirm app permissions and that no power-saving rule.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.